Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. This next question, which is question 5 of the top 50 ALJ trick questions that you will have potentially in your ALJ hearing for disability benefits. This one is near and dear to my heart because this one happens all the bleeping time. All the bleeping time. In fact, it's gotten to the point where I run a specific set of drug-related, testimony shaping questions with my claimants ahead of time to make sure that they're just not complete idiot, so that they're upfront right off the bat. Because if you're upfront right off the bat, remember, you probably somewhere in your record have a UA or a blood test that shows alcohol abuse, drug abuse, whatever. If you're just upfront, the judge is going to go a whole lot farther down the road with you. If you're not upfront, here's an example. So let me ask you this. Is that Shadow? That's Shadow. So let me ask you this. When was the last time you used drugs? Right? When was the last time? Claimant sits there and they go, a long time ago. Right? I'm feeling good. I'm thinking this is far off. Everything's cool. Judge goes, yeah. Yep. How long is a long time ago, would you say, buddy? And they don't say buddy, but Then the claimant will go and they'll go, well, probably about 3 months ago. And I'm sitting there going, now remember, to a drug addict, 3 months of not using drugs, like to a crackhead, 3 months of not using crack is a big deal. That's a big deal. But to everybody else, that's nothing. Nothing. It's only 3 months, okay? That's 30, 60, 90 days. That's nothing. All right. So here's the problem. When the judge hears a long time ago, they're thinking like a year and a half plus. That's where that thing is. The year and a half plus, right? They're thinking around the alleged onset date, maybe a little bit after, hopefully before, yada, yada, yada. They're thinking year and a half plus. They are not thinking a year. They're not thinking a year and a third. They're thinking a year and a half plus. All right, so what does this mean? It means that, basically, blah, blah, blah. It means that, very simply put, you have just made them go, well, I don't trust anything that this person's going to say. Right? I mean, if they're going to tell me a long time ago, and a long time ago to them is 3 months, I'm not going to trust them. I don't know. No way. No. So what that means is that you've just called into question your ability to be a trustworthy person. Okay? We know you're not. Just kidding. We love you dearly. But it calls into question you being a trustworthy person. And for all of you VA guys who get offended when I say, we know you're not, and stuff like that, stop. Calm yourself down. Go eat a cookie. Makes me feel way better. I'm telling you. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. That's number 5. Now, every Thursday after it's starting, the 9th of April of 2020, okay, my birthday year, birthday month rather. Birthday year was back in the 80s. But April, birthday month, the 9th, every 8 p.m. on Thursday thereafter, I'll sit down with my phone. You can call the business line, whoever calls in first that I pick up. I'll go ahead and run questions with you. It's probably going to be for 15 to 20 minutes, but it'll be enough to beat you up so that you understand some of the trick problems that you're going to run into. The first day, we'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens, all that jazz. Keep in mind, please, that you cannot use your real name, okay? You're going to call me. I'm not going to say your telephone number on the phone. You have to use a fake name, all right? My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. Let's get on to question number 6. Have a wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much.